What are we doing today, Sam?
Today we are going to start a new tutorial.
What is that about?
I think Sam is trying to talk about the tutorial about Tailwind CSS.
Exactly right, Peter. Yes. Today we are going to start how to make a web project using Tailwind CSS. So now we are preparing to create the necessary environment.
Why waste more time then? Let's start our video.
Well then, good day everyone, as mentioned earlier. Today we are going to start a Tailwind CSS tutorial. In this first video, we wanted to talk about how to install npm, which is necessary to configure Tailwind CSS. So let's download and install Node.js. First, open a web browser and type Node.js in the search bar. Then press the Enter button. We can go to the Node.js website from the first result and download the latest version, or you can download the current version. But I suggest downloading recommended version. Or you can go to the Downloads tab and download it.
Sam, now that we're done downloading, can we install it like any other software?
Yes, Peter, after completing some steps here, we can use npm.
Sam, now we have downloaded and installed nodejs on our computer, right?
Yes, really.
So how do we know if it's installed correctly?
We can use the command prompt for that. We open the command prompt and type node -v there. Then, Enter button is pressed. Then you can see the installed Node version. After that, to check the npm version, we can type npm -v and press the Enter button. This way we can see the latest versions installed. If it is not installed properly, it will show an error saying Node is not recognized. Do you understand, Jesse?
Got it, but I have another question. What does npm mean?
Come on, don't even know that? npm means Node Package Manager.
By the way, why do we need to install nodejs anyway? What does it do?
Node.js is a runtime environment that lets you run JavaScript code outside of a web browser. It's useful for creating web applications, APIs, and other things.
Oh, I see. So it's like a server-side JavaScript.
Kind of, yes. But it's also more than that. It has a lot of features and modules that make it easy to work with data, files, networks, and more.
Okay then, we will stop this video here for today. Next day we will talk about how to configure Tailwind CSS with Visual Studio Code software. Jesse, Peter, and really, we will meet again the next day. Good day everyone, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.